Hi, this is Jay from wheelchairparts.net with a quick tutorial on how to remove your bearings from your caster wheels. So the tools that are needed are a bolt with a flat end, which is important because a pointed end can actually damage the bearings, a solid object with a hole in the center to allow for the bolt to go through when hammering it, a hammer, and your caster wheel. Quick note, there are two bearings on either side of the wheel, so we'll be removing both today. Using the bolt, angle it inside through the first bearing so it catches onto the second bearing's edge. Carefully hammer away until it pops off. Now flip it over and continue doing the same steps on the other side. Pretty easy, right? Let us know if you have any questions.